We're cooking pad see ew in the backyard, and my mom couldn't wait.
ไฟทำไมมันอ่อน
So we're doing we're gonna pre-cook the egg for the pad see ew. This woman cannot wait. Huh? She couldn't wait. Yeah, that's what I said. There are two scavengers looking around. No, we're not gonna drop any food. Scavengers. That's tail wagging. They're ready. They know good stuff's coming. Okay, so my mom just fried the egg, which will go on the pad see ew.
เดี๋ยวใส่ไว้ที่เดิมเนี่ยเดี๋ยวนี่มันก็สุกไม่เป็นไรหรอก
That's okay.
ให้มันแห้งก่อนให้มันแห้งก่อน
Haman hang on means let it dry up. Yes, boss, number 2. I got 2 lady bosses and 2 scavengers. Oil goes in,
อันนี้ตัก
about 3 tablespoons.
But she don't trust you.
You know what? Why don't you like make like the wind? Remember that from
อีกหน่อยก็ได้
Too much.
she said more, you said not enough. Be quiet.
เส้นมันเยอะ
Send man a la noodle. Listen,
แต่เดี๋ยวพอร้อนแล้วใส่
this is camping style, so we're doing on a rock.
วางหงายท้องเอ้ยหงายท้อง
It's okay, I'm not gonna sit. We got some pork. Yeah, my camera person, I've been doing it. I could do all the stuff. Look at Stanley, he's so cute. Okay, oil's heating up. We have a little bit of protein, some pork. The reason we're not using a lot of meat is because we have a lot of eggs in place of protein. And the oil is popping. Go, go, go. It's so very hard. I got it, I got it. เอ้ย
กระเทียมไปข้างๆมันจะได้
หอม
สุกพร้อมกัน
โอเค Get the pork. Wait, take it. A little bit of
อันนี้
garlic.
ตักอันนี้ตักอันนี้ตักเลย
You like garlic? Okay. Today's a big day. Karate test. This is a pre-karate meal. Dude, you didn't get oil on you.
เฮ้ยเอ๊ะมัน
Okay, next we're gonna add the noodles.
กระ
That's
เทียม
approved
หอม
by 2.
กระเทียมหอ
Committee.
ม
Burn the garlic.
It's not. I'm turning.
ถ้าเอากระเทียมลงก่อนนะมันจะไหม้แล้วต่อหมูจะสุกแม่ก็เลยให้ลงพร้อมกันโอเคใส่ก๋วยเตี๋ยวได้ละ
ครับผมผัดซีอิ๊ว
เยอะเหมือนกัน
These noodles come in a big pack and you have to separate them. Sauce. And this sauce,
ไม่เกิดกันแล้ว
we just pre-mix it. If I went camping, I would have done the same. Pre-mix it in the bottle. Stupid airplane. Okay. So what's in this sauce is fermented soybean, fish sauce, mountain sauce, mushroom soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and oyster sauce.
ต้องใส่ทีละน้อยก่อนเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวมันจะเค็มถ้าเขาทำขายนะน้ำมันจะเยอะกว่านี้
Yeah. Don't you not make a video?
มิวสิกไฟมันแรงไม่พอให้เราผัดเยอะที่จริงต้องผัดจานต่อจานนะ
They normally can make a small batches, but we have our noodle, and the fire is not that strong. Either gas
you have to cook
is
one by
low.
one
Yeah, you should have done it. You should have done it in 2 batches.
แต่อย่าไปคลุกมากเดี๋ยวมันเส้นมันเละเลยละเราไม่ได้เอาเข้าเวฟเลยนี่
Okay, and now
แล้วก็หยอดน้ำไปเนี่ยทีละหน่อยก็ได้
damn it, woman.
หยอดทีละหน่อย
Little bit at a time.
Sandy, you're lucky you're not married. Be single. Bachelor life. On the edge, little bit, mix it, taste it. Go under the noodle and fold it so you don't break it. Sauce. Ah,
The sugar's already in there?
no. Because the brown sugar is mixing it.
ที่หลังเขาถ้าเส้นแช่ตู้แข็งแล้วซุปจะต้องเอาเข้าเวฟก่อน
Okay.
พอมันละลายแล้วนะ
My mom said that once the noodle is thawed, put it in the microwave for like a minute, then
มันจะได้ไม่ได้
soften
ขาด
up a
ง่า
little
ย
bit. But now, as you can see, the noodles are kind of breaking up. So we try not to break it too much. That's why I'm folding it.
จะเติมน้ำตาลเติมให้ซีอิ๊วดำได้
Okay, see you done. Give it a little bit more color. Oh, the fire's getting blown.
What's that?
Sweet
Too
soy
much.
sauce. It's for color. Some sugar.
Obviously, if this is camping style, there's no microwave.
Put it in the sun.
ไม่เอาไปไมโครเวฟก็ไม่ต้องก็ขัดให้ทีละน้อย
If you're gonna microwave, just do a little at a time.
That's if you put in the freezer
อันนี้
first.
มันมากไปอะ
You
There'll
do
be no
it fresh.
freezer. There'll be no freezer in camping.
No, that's if you do it.
Oh,
If
oh,
you do
la
it
la
fresh,
ก่อนนะ
then you don't need to do that.
My mom's going for a taste. Yay or nay?
Perfect.
My mom
What'd you
said,
say, Mom?
yeah.
What'd you say? How is it?
Perfect.
Perfect.
All that complaining, all that supervision.
Pepper.
Thai food, we gotta have heat, a little bit of heat, but pepper is not that hot.
Almost done
เดี๋ยว
later.
ให้มันอยู่ข้างหนึงให้มัน
Okay,
อยู่
and
ข้าง
then
หนึงก่อน
okay, we're gonna cook the vegetables. So we're gonna make room. This is our garden fresh kale.
ใช้บรอกโคลีก็ได้ใช้นิดบรอกโคลีก็ได้
What are you doing?
We use kale,
นะครับ
Chinese broccoli, galan, any vegetable you want.
อร่อย
Since the rain, we had abundance of vegetables. It just pops up like crazy.
Messy garden, messy garden. There it is, the kale garden.
จะทำวิดีโอ
ฮะ
จะทำวิดีโอใน garden น่ะในสวนน่ะ
ทำไมอ่ะ
แล้วก็กระจาก็กินเคลอย่างเงี้ยแล้วนาราน้าแอลก็โชว์วิดีโอให้นาราว่าไม่รู้ว่าหลานจะเป็นควาย
น่ารักอ่ะ เนี่ยทำอย่างนี้เพราะว่าต้องการให้มันสวย
Now we add the egg. We cook the egg so it looks pretty.
ๆนี่ก็ทำขายก็จะต้องโชว์
So I don't want my vegetables to be
Okay.
overdone. So we're gonna turn up the heat because I like my vegetables.
Are you looking for leftovers?
Oh, what happened to noodle? Did you eat it?
No, Mom took care of it. She
Hello.
cleaned up.
Hey, get the old
No, she cleaned up.
ปิดไฟได้แล้ว
Get that. See? Yummy.
Yeah, camping style. We have real plates at our campsites.
Hey man. We don't do no freeze dry food. We're Asian. We're Thai. No freeze dry.
ขูดให้หมดเพราะอร่อยตรงนั้นน่ะ
Waste not. I don't know what you got for lunch, but this is my portion.
Yeah.
เอาน้ำใส่แล้ว มันจะได้ไม่ติด
Stop moving around.
Huh? I don't know what you're having for lunch. All for me.
เอาน้ำไม่ใส่เดี๋ยวไหม้หมด
Okay.
I like the crunchy part. I like the burnt crunchy part.
It's hot. Oh, you want the crunchy part?
Yeah. Like baby.
ถ้าจานแบ่งใส่หรือเปล่า
It's like potato chip.
All the flavors out.
We eat outside, huh? It's nice today.
Yeah, we don't have what you doing now.
Clean the pan. Always take care of your tools. Your kitchen tool, your automotive tool, whatever it is in
แกะเสร็
life,
จแล้วนะ
take care of your tools. Could be your body parts too. Right? If you leave your tools out in a strange place, like all rusty and corroded, you never know where it's been. That's what we try to teach our boys, right?
Bye.
Clean,
Too much.
Clean
too
your
much
tools, son.
information. Too much
Put a cover on your
information.
tools when you use it.
You can tune them out now.
Don't let people borrow it. They'll be abusing it.
Tune them out now. Mute. This time you guys can mute him.
Bye.